Money mystery. Why should we care? Every day we use money. We earn it, we spend it, but do we really understand it? Well, most people don't. Money is like a secret code that controls a lot of our lives. Understanding money is crucial. It's about more than just buying things. It's about security, freedom, and achieving your dreams. So don't let money be a mystery. We're going to break it down into simple steps, using clear language and no more confusion. Let's unlock the secrets of money together. It's your life, your money, your turn to take charge. Now let's dive in. From barter to Bitcoin, a quick history of money. Imagine a world without money. How would you get what you need? Long ago, people used barter. They would say, "I'll trade you my cow for your chickens," but barter was clunky. Not everyone needs a cow, right? So, we invented money. First came coins, then paper money. It was easier to carry and trade. Today we have digital money. Credit cards, online payments, even Bitcoin. Money is always changing, but its purpose stays the same: to make trade easier. Understanding the evolution of money helps us appreciate the system we have today. It wasn't always this way, and it won't stay the same forever. Money in motion. Understanding the flow. Think of money like a river. It flows through our economy, from person to person, business to business. You earn a paycheck. That's money flowing to you. You buy groceries. That's money flowing to the store. They use it to pay their employees, and so on. The government also plays a role, collecting taxes and spending on public services. This keeps the river flowing. Understanding this flow helps us see the bigger picture. We are all connected in this system. Our choices, big or small, have an impact. Unmasking the big words: interest, inflation, and investing. Let's tackle some big financial words. First up, interest. When you borrow money, you pay interest. It's like a fee for using the money. Conversely, when you save money, you earn interest. It's like a reward for letting the bank use your money. Next, inflation. Remember when candy bars were a nickel? That's inflation. Prices go up over time, meaning your money buys less than it used to. Lastly, investing. Putting your money to work. You buy something, hoping it will increase in value over time. Stocks, bonds, real estate are some examples. These concepts are crucial for managing your money. Learn about them. Use them to your advantage. Take control of your cash. You can do it. Understanding money doesn't have to be scary. It's about empowering yourself. You control your money, not the other way around. Start with a budget. Track your income and expenses. See where your money is going. Then, make a plan. Save for emergencies. Pay off debt. Invest in your future. Small steps lead to big results. This is just the beginning. There are tons of resources out there. Books, websites, financial advisors. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Take charge of your financial future today. Visit AnthonyDoty.com for more resources and tools to help you achieve your financial goals.